Can a drive shaft cause a clunking noise? Absolutely. A drive shaft can definitely cause a clunking noise. The drive shaft is a crucial part of your vehicle's drivetrain, transmitting torque from the engine to the wheels. When it's not in proper working order, it can lead to a variety of sounds, including clunking. Here's a breakdown of why this happens. Loose or worn U-joints. Universal joints, U-joints, are the primary culprits when it comes to drive shaft issues. These little joints allow the drive shaft to flex as the vehicle moves. If they become loose or worn out, you can expect some clunking noises, especially during acceleration or when shifting gears. Imbalanced drive shaft. An imbalanced drive shaft can cause vibrations and clunking noises. This imbalance can be due to a manufacturing defect or wear and tear over time. Balancing the drive shaft or replacing it can remedy this issue. Damaged drive shaft. Physical damage to the drive shaft, such as bends or dents, can also result in clunking. This type of damage usually results from external impacts or road debris. Regular inspections can help catch this before it becomes a more significant issue. Worn differential. While not technically part of the drive shaft, wear in the differential can produce clunking noises that are often mistaken for drive shaft problems. The differential is connected to the drive shaft, so the noises can seem similar. Loose components. Sometimes it's just a matter of loose components in or around the drive shaft area. Bolts and brackets can come loose or wear out, leading to clunking noises. Tightening or replacing these components usually resolves the issue. Bad center bearing. In some vehicles, especially those with rear-wheel drive, the drive shaft is supported by a center bearing. If this bearing wears out, it can lead to clunking noises. Replacing the center bearing typically solves the problem. If you're hearing a clunking noise and suspect it's from the drive shaft, it's essential to address it promptly. Ignoring the issue can lead to more severe damage and costly repairs down the line. Always consult with a reputable mechanic to get an accurate diagnosis and fix. Better safe than sorry, especially when it comes to something as crucial as your vehicle's drivetrain.